Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Stacks. I'm John Swicky, where we try to make AI exciting, fun, and accessible for everybody. In today's stream, we are going to look at Claude 3 Haiku. This is their kind of the quick, lean, mean, speed efficient, cost efficient model. And I thought we can kind of just see what how it kind of holds up. Maybe we can do a little work with it and kind of see how it hangs and see how far we can take it. So now I'm using this on Poe. I'm on a free account, so we get Poe change something here, so you get some points per day. So we'll just kind of go and see how far we can take it. So we're going to try two things. We're going to try to write some code, and then we're going to try to get some kind of more creative projects. So we're going to try to come up with something more creative. Sorry. Maybe like a blog post or something. Okay, so I got, let's get some code up here so we can execute whatever it runs for us. All right, so let's just do a little HTML and CSS with, we're going to work in Claude. In Claude and Poe. Okay, so I'm writing a new website. Can you help me code up a grid of images with them being responsive, 3x3 grid. Okay, so right off the bat, it is fast. I must say the speed of that is impressive. So we're just gonna see how this code kind of looks in real life. So we're just gonna copy and paste a couple things here, and then can you rewrite the code with a placeholder image from a CDN? It's just because we want to see. Okay, did not. Okay. Placeholder, background images. Okay, this is interesting. It's going to load as a placeholder while the images actually load. Okay. It's not what I was hoping for, but I want to see the performance here. Let's get some HTML in here. Oh wait, we gotta keep this JS. And the nice thing too, if you're not familiar, it gives you kind of a little breakdown of what's going on. Okay, so I loaded those background images, coded them at 3x3. Looks pretty good. And simple task, but nice to have a little bit of a boilerplate. Let's try something a little bit more advanced. Can you write a web component that has a contact form with a few inputs for name, address, and email? Okay, so hey, it is writing a contact form web component. Okay. So let's fire this guy up. Code looks pretty good. Alright, so let's get that going. Let's get our CSS loaded. What am I forgetting? Oh, the HTML. Get rid of the grid for now. Alright, let's run this. The CSS is off, but did the job. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. And this is a follow-up question from Poe. It's going to show us some server-side code. If you see a tail, that's my cat Cinnamon making an appearance today. Okay, yeah, so we got some server-side code, so alright. Alright, let's move into, like I said, something a little bit more creative. Can you write... Let's undo a blog post. Let's see. Let's write an email to... Wait. Let's write... You write an email newsletter. Letter. Email newsletter. Why am I spelling this wrong? Email newsletter that talks about the 3 most important AI developments in I think Claude is more updated, so let's do 2023. Okay, so it gave me a little template here. I mean, it's for their base model. It's holding up here. And wait, we gotta do our famous. We've done this with a lot of them. Can you come up with a vegan meal plan? Vegan meal plan. 2 people for under $200. 4 weeks worth of meals. And can you give me a full schedule? Okay, so it's bringing us down here, like the price point guesses. That's pretty cool. So I mean, for like I said, for the base model, I think this handles things pretty well. You might be able to find spots where you can use this for free. Let's go to Claude. Go to Claude.ai. Okay, so I'm in a paid tier, but let's just see. Account settings. Let's start a new chat. Excuse me. Okay, I'm on a paid tier, but it is in the drop down now over here. It's on Poe for free. At least a couple of messages per day. So you're able to use that. I mean, it's super fast. It handles code pretty well. And again, we didn't really give it a full. We didn't really go really kind of deep into it, but super impressive. I think this Claude 3 update is, I feel like I'm just scratching the surface with it. This seems, like I said, super impressive, super fun to play around with. I kind of find myself going to Claude more, but we'll see what happens. But I just wanted to kind of see, because sometimes I think it's always good to look at, those smaller, cheaper models that are more accessible for everybody. That's kind of what, I think a lot of people are going to end up using. A lot of people can't spend $20 a month on 4 or 5 different LLMs. But so Claude Haiku, definitely worth bookmarking. If you're using Poe, if anybody finds any other spots, let us know where you can kind of spin this up and test it out for people. People can test it out. But that should do it for us today. Thanks everybody. Appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.